I'm Gale Banks. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain why the Derringer is the only inline tuner you should consider for your Ford 6.7 Super Duty. All the other regen, the Derringer is constantly monitoring your DPF. The other guys don't even know you're in regen. In fact, they don't even know there is a DPF. Next on the list is accelerators, and the worst offenders are the flash tuners. Not only do they add more fuel, there's no way to pull back the tune. The engine thinks that's the way it's supposed to run, hot. The engine heats up, derates to cool down, heats up, derates to cool down, and so on. It's a vicious cycle. Remember this, changers, so that leaves tracks, the trail of tears that the guy at the dealership, when he looks at your ECU, is going to see you flash it, even if you remove the flash. The beauty of inline tuning, such as the Derringer, is that when you remove it, it's not there. There's no evidence that it's ever been there. Let's look at the boost aspect of this. Here we can...
This thing ain't playing around. Time for me to finish watching this video and get to opening some boxes. I can't wait. It's gonna be badass. Look what I got. And I've also got this. I say we start with this small one first, because this is the one that I'm going to install first. Plus I'm going to have to take this thing down to the ground, it's too big. Oh, look at this. Oh, Lord, look at that. Let's see what's in them. Ports. Not quite sure where all this stuff goes yet, but I will find out real soon. We got some instructions. We got some zip ties. We got another cord. This is the OBD. Alright, so what is in this box right here? Let's see it. Stick. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's tight. Oh, those are your brakes. Oh, shit. What we got, KK? Oh, look at that. Look what we got. Dang. Dang.
Christmas in what?
Christmas in August.
That's it. Thanks,
That's it.
brother.
Right on, man.
That was good with me.
All right.
Thank you, man.
Looks like something special, huh?
All right, so we got a gauge here with some wires. So basically this, and this thing. Oh, I got one more thing I gotta open up. Hold on. Now this thing looks about the size of an A-pillar. It's probably my A-pillar. All right, that's your standard issue A-pillar. A little something to put this thing inside of. I'm gonna need to do some modifications to it because the factory one has a tweeter in it. Even though those are gonna be disconnected when I do the door speakers, I won't have to do any modifications to it then. In that case, I'll just disconnect it. But this is what we have so far. And this thing right here is kind of big, so I think we're gonna take it down to the ground.
Yep.
See what we got here. Oh my Lord. Damn. Is that 5 inches or 6? That's pretty big. Holy moly. I'm not sure what this is yet. We'll find out. We got some hangers, some clamps.
Look at that. Jeez.
I'm not quite sure how it goes yet, so we'll just pretend. Do something like that. Now, I believe this is probably going to be the tip. Yeah. Now, I didn't go with the standard issue chrome. I went with flat black, matte black, flat black. Look at that.
Put the camera inside.
Huh?
You put the camera inside that thing.
You probably could put the camera inside here. Oh yeah. If you didn't have that, if you didn't have the LCD flipped open, you could definitely put the camera straight through here. So where are we going here? Oh, something like this. Now keep in mind, I don't know which way this really goes until I get the truck up on the lift and I get started. But something like this, I suppose. God damn, look at that thing. Hope it doesn't fall apart. I mean, here we go. Damn. And I'm sorry. I'm trying to be as quiet as possible while I'm making these videos, but I need my hair. I tried to turn it off. It's gonna be 107 today, so sorry about that. Here we go. Got a little gasket in here. So it's gonna be good. Put that in there with the clamps. Hey, baby. Got a really nice bank sticker. Put that somewhere. And of course, We got instructions. Is this a 5-inch or what is this? Let's see what this thing is. So it looks like I got the 5. So we're looking at the 5-inch system. That is just a monster pipe. I can't wait to install this stuff. Look at that, look how big that thing is. I got one more thing to show you guys before this video is over. You got to see actually how big this thing really is. Here, you can put it on there when we get it out there. Or let me get past the Lexus first. I got to get past the Lexus before I do some free walking. Here, none of it's clamped. There, put that goddamn tip on there. Here, grab my tip. Oh. Well, don't put it all the way in there, man. You just took inches away. All right, that's fine. You get the point.
I don't even think it's gonna fit back there.
Forget about the F250.
It's not gonna fit, dude.
Here, you want to grab it so I don't...
It ain't gonna fit, dude.
I know. This is... Yeah, there you go. Look at that thing in there. Here, let's take it out here and put it next to your pea shooter. Here, hop out. We'll just grab it from here. Okay, we'll put it next to this pea shooter. Hold on. Ready? Here you go, Brando.
Dude, slide that. Oh!
That was sick. Just give me a hose clamp, we'll tighten it all the way down. All right, let's bring it over to the F250. I can probably do it by myself. It's not clamped, so
Yeah, no, I'm trying to.
I just don't want it to fall apart. Okay. All right, this is what it looks like on the actual truck that it's gonna go on. I feel like we're both holding up a boa constrictor out in the Amazon. Stay tuned. We're gonna put it on soon. Now I gotta say, I wasn't really super enthusiastic about putting a programmer on that F250 or an exhaust because I really don't care. The truck is very powerful on its own. The truck has never had a problem pulling our toy hauler fully weighed down. But when I saw a couple of videos online demonstrating the difference between this programmer and all the other brands, I mean basically all the other brands are, well, I'll let this part right here do the explaining.
All the others belong right here.
There's a couple of hills on the way to Pismo Beach in the middle of the summer that, you know, the F250 gets a little bit warm. I'm watching the temperatures rise. Well, the bank's power is going to give me more power to get up that hill, but it's also going to monitor it 250 times a second or something like that and back power down whenever it sees a little bit too much heat. It's fail safe. You can take a pair of scissors and cut the power straight off of this thing and it will just start driving like a stock vehicle. Unlike the other brands that I saw that, well, basically you're stranded if you have a problem. So the fail-safe stuff, because we drive this truck long distances and maybe some exhaust. I'm not sure what the full benefits of it will be in. I haven't looked all into it. I can't wait to put it on. You want to see me put it on? Subscribe to my page, and I'm going to do it real soon. We'll get the truck in here on the lift. We'll do it step by step. I'll let you know if I like it or not. I'll show you all this lit up and We'll talk about the things that it does. In the meantime, I'm gonna put a couple links right down in the description where you can actually go and see the difference for yourself, what this Banks programmer does, especially compared to the leading brands, to all the brands. Some of them are basically garbage. In fact, well, I'm not gonna say how many of them, but most of them. I can't describe to you how much I can't wait to put this in. Definitely can't wait to do this. Oh yeah, that thing's a monster compared to the stock exhaust. Look at that little thing. Damn, what am I getting myself into again? Why do I do this to myself?
Derringer is the only smart tuner available because it has OBD connectivity.
Attaboy, baby, watching the
That
video with
allows
Dad
you
or
to
what?
Safeguard your truck. And